Welcome back to PPMA TV 2023, brought to you by our good friends at Mark and Image. I'm here with Paul from Westrock. Paul, thank you very much for joining us. Tell us a bit about Westrock.
Well, Westrock, we're a packaging company, a large paper company, so we manage forestry, have mills, do paper all the way through the process. So we have, you can see on the stand here, many different pack styles, be it food, beverage, e-commerce. But today we're particularly showing a food application because we have a large automation division really to support the materials sales. And our entire philosophy really is to innovate boldly and package sustainably. So we're looking to help our customers to move out of plastics into fibre-based solutions, really with the whole footprint of sustainability in mind.
Good for Westrock as a business, like you say, being paper-based, and also good for the environment as well. And you mentioned some of the paper card products. Over here on this display here is probably one of the places we can see that part of the business in action there. But then on this line here, this is where you are putting some automation behind that. So let's talk about this pretty extensive line that you've got here. What is it that you're showing to visitors?
Yeah, this is a machine we call the CP Emerge. It's a cluster pack machine, and we've got a Delta robotic in-feed. So we're taking food bowls, for example, for frozen food, frozen dinners, if you like. When they come into the machine, we can use a vision system to orientate them to make sure they're rotated and pointing in the right direction. Yep. And we can stack bowls one on top of the other, or three high, whatever it might be. So we build up a customer pack, and then we take it into the system. So it's all being pitched into the system by the robot and the vision system. And then on the machine here, we apply a wraparound carton. So that wraparound carton then obviously gives you a very nice customer experience. Again, fully fibre-based.
And we can just see on the left there, Tom, although the machine's just stopped going around, you can see those cardboard cartons that would be using a suction system there, pulled down, and through the wrapping mechanism end up around the carton.
Correct. And our aim really is to give the customers an incredibly reliable solution, but which is tuned perfectly with the cartons, because we have the carton designers as well. We have all different qualities of carton and print as well. And this machine's kind of middle of the range, about 165 packs a minute with this pack, but we have slower solutions and much faster solutions as well to suit the customer.
So, and in here, I hesitate to stick my hand inside one of those. There we go. I'd rather you do that than me. This is the kind of output that we're talking about for the production we were just seeing.
Correct, yeah, exactly. So this is a paper-based bowl with a top heat seal, and then with like I say, the cluster pack wrapped around it. But that could equally be 4 packs of, 4 yogurt tubs or puddings or, pretty much anything that you can imagine, we can find a solution.
And with a little bit of tweaking, I get a 4-pack of Guinness instead.
Exactly so, yes. Yeah, exactly so. Not one after the other necessarily, but this kind of machine exactly can do anything where we're wrapping around a carton. But like I say, we can go up to incredibly high speeds on these machines, or down to a low speed just to suit the customer.
Good stuff. Obviously, it's investment bringing something as extensive to this, even though you say it's only one of your mid-range systems. How important though is it to share, to show off this kind of line and what Westrock is doing now at a show like PPMA?
Yeah, it's incredibly important because, especially when you're a large company like ours, like I said, we can do from e-commerce up to high-speed beverage. And sometimes, we need to say to people, let's look at a specific part of the business because there's so much there that you can almost get lost in the noise. So this, we want to really set our stall out and say, we have a huge offering in the food industry. I think PPMA is particularly good for people who are in the food industry, looking at the footfall. So from our point of view, we want to just come and make a bit of a statement and say, we're here, we're open for business, as it were. Come and talk to us. But I think the critical thing is the fact that we'll take a customer from cradle to grave. We'll work on their pack design. We'll totally optimize it so they're using the minimum material. And then they've got a real nice sustainability message, which really fits with our ethos as well.
Yeah. Well, listen, thank you very much indeed for bringing it. I see more of these cartons have made their way off the line. There's even some product in there. I'm not sure we've got time to see what's inside.
I think we've got. I probably shouldn't mention sweet brands, but if you'd like a bit of a sugar rush, feel free.
Oh, there we go.
There you go.
I think we're going to be good for the next few minutes. Right then. Listen, thank you very much indeed for joining us. Have a great rest of the show.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.